Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache file on the CapCut PC. So cache file need to delete or clear because it will make your CapCut PC run smoothly when you are editing. And here I'm going to show you how you can remove that. So before you open your project, you can just go to the settings at the top, and here click on settings, this one, until the settings will pop up, settings menu, and under the draft in here you can see this is the cache size, and I got mine 1.47 gigabyte. It's quite big, so I need to clear this up. Click on this trash icon and click on OK. So it won't affect the history of project, so you don't need to worry. It will only remove the cache file. Just click on remove and CapCut will do its uh, magic by removing the cache. You can just wait until it's done. And that's all for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.